Right. Harvesting time. Today, I just came in here to see my corn, and I've just noticed that some of them are ready to be harvested. Okay, let me show you the ones that are ready. Okay, this one is ready. This one is ready. This one is ready. And this one is ready. This one is ready. This one is ready. This one is ready to be harvested. You can see them all. Yeah, you can see them all. 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 You can see these ones are ready. These ones are ready. This one is ready. You see these ones in there. Both of them are ready. These ones are ready. These ones are ready. This one is ready. This one is ready. Yeah, almost all of them here. They're all ready to be harvested. Yeah, you can see all of them. Oh wow, these two are ready. Okay, yeah, you can see all of them. Oh, the whole, almost half of the farm. You see, these ones are ready in there. Let's go in. Let's go in and see. See, this one's ready. See, these ones are ready. This one is ready. This one is ready. Yeah, you can see. I'm going to eat a lot of corn this weekend. Oh, look at these ones. Oh, nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Look at them. Almost. These ones are ready. Yeah, it's a nice one. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see them doing well. Yeah, look at these ones. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'm enjoying this, Harvesting time is always happy time because all the things you've been labored all through, now it's time for you to enjoy them. So it's ready. They're all ready for me to enjoy. So that is why it's a period of enjoying your labor. So I'm going to enjoy my labor now. Thank you, and keep watching. Watch this space. More video will be coming out from different angles, from different crops. So see, you can just watch this space. Watch this space. I would feed you back with more video how my crops are progressing. Thank you. Remain blessed.